Hey guys, I'm showing you this all we fit shoes, the sneakers receive as a sample to test and try. So comes in a nice box. This for the ladies. So let's open and see the quality and everything. So as you can see, have a thick sole and a very nice pasting in here. So quality wise looks good. The color is also nice and is a comfortable. So it's a slip-on shoe, so the laces and everything is for design and it's a slip on, so you can just adjust or just put it on the side. So it's a comfortable memory foam inside, and then is a lightweight and durable shoes with a mesh on the top, so it's breathable. And while wearing, after wearing it, it looks really nice, comfortable, and the fitting is also good, as you can see. So from the back also, the fitting with the slip on is good, comfortable. So overall it's a very nice shoes.